When Barry and I used to live in France, there were two places that I loved the most. One was called Flam's and one was called Patisserie. And both of them had one thing in common, which is there was this flat piece of phyllo dough covered with bechamel sauce and cheese and potatoes and bacon, and it was one of those magnificent things to eat. So we're gonna try to recreate it today. We're gonna just buy the phyllo dough because it's a lot easier to buy it than to make it. And we're just gonna have 2 layers and put these puff pastry in it. And we're gonna let it sit for a minute. Okay, we're gonna slice potatoes very, very thin and soak them in water. So now we have a bunch of parsley and we're gonna get rid of this. Okay. Yeah. Goat cheese, chèvre, onions, parsley, and mozzarella shredded cheese. And of course, we cannot cook if we don't have a snack. We are putting the bechamel sauce here, just a very skinny layer. And we're gonna this all in the middle mixed. Next step is parsley.